Presenting the E1 Metro Mast, valued at $750,000. A revolutionary firefighting tool specifically engineered for urban challenges. A versatile powerhouse, it's transforming urban fire response strategies. The Metro Mast's adaptable chassis, available in single axle or tandem axle configurations, makes it a perfect fit for city landscapes. Its high-strength aluminum aerial ladder, extending up to 110 feet, offers unpredictable reach, offers unprecedented reach and stability. More than just height, the Metro Mast is about precision. Its optional integrated pump and water tank enable quick, precise firefighting, complemented by an easily connectable pre-piped system for external water sources. Fitted with a roof monitor and front-mounted waterway, it tackles high-rise fires from optimal angles. The unit's customization capabilities, including ground ladders and other tools, elevate its functional diversity. With a compact design navigating tight urban spaces effortlessly, the Metro Mast excels in accessibility and rapid response. Crucial for high-rise emergencies. It's not just a ladder truck or pumper. It's a compressive solution, merging reach, maneuverability, and efficiency in one dynamic unit.